Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a house that is back on the market and was also reduced in price. Welcome to this beautiful, spacious 3-bedroom, 4-bathroom, 2-story house. It is located on Glenmuir Road, Maypen, Clarendon, and sits on 0.35 acres of land. Its ground floor consists of a semicircle veranda to the front. There is a kitchen, nice laundry room, sunken living room with entertainment area combined, TV room, formal dining and living, powder room, and a large back porch. The first floor has the master bedroom and has 2 other bedrooms with own bathroom and a large rear balcony. It also boasts a tank that harvests rainwater. There is also a well-maintained garden and beautiful paved stone driveway. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 64 million or US $415,800. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.